Concept of elasticity. PC First Sem Physics. Current University Dharwad. Session 56. Presented by A. Manier, Government First Grade College, Hubballi. Numerical problems. Learning objectives. Evaluate the elastic deformation occurring in simple members for different types of loading. Estimate stress, strain, elastic constants, work done per unit volume in stretching a wire, bending moment. One can able to calculate stress, strain, Young's modulus, bulk modulus, shear modulus, work done per unit volume in stretching a wire, bending moment. Prerequisites. Stress is given by force per unit area. Strain is equal to elongation divided by original length. Modulus of elasticity E is equal to stress by strain, Young's modulus, bulk modulus, shear modulus, relation between Young's modulus, bulk modulus, rigidity modulus, Poisson's ratio, work done in unit volume in stretching a wire, bending moment, etc. First problem. A steel rod 2 meter long has a cross-sectional area of 0.3 centimeter square. The rod is now hung by one end from a support structure and a 550 kg milling machine is hung from the rod's lower end. The Young's modulus of steel is 20 to 10 to power 10 Pascal. Determine stress, the strain and elongation of the rod. The given things are: length of the rod is given as 2 meter, cross-sectional area is given as 0.3 centimeter square. The rod is hung by one end with a mass of 550 kg milling machine, and the Young's modulus of steel is given as 20 to 10 to power 10 Pascal. Now it is asked to find stress, strain, elongation of the rod. Solution for this: stress is given by force per unit area. In this problem, mass is given. Mass multiplied by acceleration due to gravity gives force acting on that body, divided by area of cross section, which is given as 30 centimeter square, or it is equal to 0.003 meter square. Substituting these values, one can obtain stress as 1.8 into 10 to power 8 Pascal. Similarly, the strain is given by stress upon Young's modulus. The value of Young's modulus is given. We have calculated stress. Substituting these two values, one can obtain the value of strain as 9.0 into 10 power minus 4. Elongation is delta L is equal to strain into L naught. The value of strain is 9.0 into 10 power minus 4. Elongation is 2 meter. L naught, the value of L naught is 2 meter. So multiplying this, one can obtain the elongation as 1.8 millimeter. Next problem. A box shaped piece of gelatin glass dessert has a top area of 15 centimeter square and a height of 3 centimeter. When shearing force of 0.5 Newton is applied to the upper surface, the upper surface displaces 4 millimeter relative to bottom surface. What are the shearing stress, the shearing strain and the shearing modulus for the gelatin? The given things are: area of the force, which is given as 15 centimeter square, top area is given as 15 centimeter square, which is nothing but 15 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. Height is given as 3 centimeter and the height is 3 centimeter. Displacement is given as 4 millimeter. The upper surface displaces 4 millimeter. Shearing force is 0.5 Newton. Shearing force is given in the problem. It is asked to find shearing stress, shearing strain, shear modulus. Solution for this: shearing stress is given by tangential force divided by area of the face. Tangential force is given as 0.5 Newton. Shearing force divided by area of the face, which is given as 15 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. So shearing stress comes out to be 333 Pascal. Similarly, shearing strain is given by displacement divided by height. Displacement is given as 0.4 centimeter and height is given as 3 centimeter. So shear strain comes out to be 0.1333. Similarly, shear modulus is given by stress upon strain. We have calculated the value of stress, calculated the value of strain. Substituting these values, shear modulus comes out to be 2.5 kilopascal. Hence the required quantities. Next problem. A wire 10 meter long has a cross-sectional area of 1.25 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. It is subjected to a load of 5 kg. If Young's modulus of material is 4 into 10 to power 10 Newton meter square, calculate elongation produced in the wire. Take G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Length of the wire is given, cross-sectional area is given, mass is given, Young's modulus of material has been given. Force is given by M into G. M is given, the value of G is given, so one can calculate the force F. It is asked to calculate shearing stress, shearing strain, shear modulus. We know force per unit area is equal to Young's modulus into delta L divided by L. Stress is equal to Young's modulus into strain. So the value of delta L can be obtained by using this relation, F upon A, L upon Y. Substituting the values of F, A, L and Y, we are going to obtain the delta L value as 10 to power minus 4 meter. So next problem. Metallic cube of side 100 cm is subjected to uniform force acting normal to the whole surface of the cube. The pressure is 10 to power 6 Pascal. If the volume changes by 1.5 into 10 to power 5 meter cube, calculate bulk modulus of the material. Pressure has been given. It is equal to 10 to power 6 Pascal. Pressure is given as 10 to power 6 Pascal. Change in volume is given, delta V, 1.5 into 10 to power 5 meter cube. Now it is asked to find the bulk modulus. Bulk modulus K is given by force per unit area divided by change in volume to the original volume. Force per unit area is nothing but pressure, that multiplied by V upon delta V, where V is the volume and delta V is the change in volume. Pressure is given as 10 to power 6 Pascal multiplied by the volume. Metallic cube of side 100 centimeter 1 meter. So the volume of the cube will be 1 meter cube. That divided by delta V, the change in volume, 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 5. So bulk modulus K comes out to be equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 10 Newton meter square. Next problem. A metallic cube of side 0.2 meter is subjected to shearing force of 4000 Newton. The top surface is displaced through 0.5 centimeter with respect to the bottom. Calculate shear modulus of elasticity of the metal. The given things are: length is given, which is equal to 2 meter. Hence, one can calculate area of cross section, which is equal to L square, which comes out to be 0.04 meter square. Force is given 4000 Newton. The value of X is given. Displacement 0.5 centimeter, which is equal to 0.005 meters. It is asked to calculate shear modulus, which is given by force per unit area multiplied by the ratio of length upon displacement. Substituting the value of F, L, A and X, it comes out to be equal to 4 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per meter square. So these are the reference materials.